And that's a brilliant move by Madueke, holding stay by Cucurella. And Arsenal got the first corner of the game. That's a brilliant impacting. Well, at the moment, you can see how composed Arsenal is. And Madueke got his first corner cross for Arsenal, signaling his teammate to come to the 18 box. And Nicolas Jova cut the set piece. It's a mess show. He's been masterclass. And Arsenal have got a top notch and set piece this season. Well, on the 18-yard box, you can see Arsenal players driving Chelsea players, stalling them. Well, it's going to be a foul, but the ref going to decide. Madueke with a corner. He's got this brilliant signal. He's going to take this one. And headed in by Kapi, in by Saliba, and Arsenal got the first goal. Brilliant. That's a masterclass goal. It is Arsenal 1, Chelsea 0.
Great area to hit, but I think Gabriel, their far post, has done so well, climbing over the top of two Chelsea players.